Where'd you find them at?
In a field over there. There's a field with wild birds.
If you don't mind me asking, what are you gonna do with those wild birds?
I don't know. Probably just play some games with them.
Games? What kind of games?
I don't know. You know, like hook a stick in there and they go like ah ah ah, and then like shake the cage and they think it's an earthquake and they really like that.
Well, if you don't mind me asking, what are you gonna do when you're done?
I don't know. Probably feed them my cat. Likes wild birds.
You know what? I'm fond of wild birds. How much for them?
Want to buy my wild birds?
Yeah.
They're not good for nothing. They don't do any tricks or nothing. And you just open the little gate thing and they'll just fly right out.
How much?
$5.
All right, we can do that.
$10.
All right.
$20.
They're wild birds.
They're exotic
You
birds.
found them in a field.
An exotic field.
All right. That's all I got.
I see you looking at that cage.
Yeah. What you got there?
You know what's in there.
Mankind.
Found them in the garden. Funny thing is, they put themselves in this cage. I have nothing to do with it.
What's your plan with them?
I'm gonna play some games with them.
Games. What kind of games?
All kinds of games. I'm gonna put games into their life that they think is gonna bring them so much pleasure, then I'm gonna turn their worlds upside down. I'm gonna make right seem wrong and wrong seem right.
You know, my father and I were very fond of mankind.
I know.
We want them to have access to us. So, I'm going to pay them for freedom.
You want these humans.
Yes.
You know, they promised you everything before. They're just gonna turn their backs on you again.
Some will. Some won't.
It'll cost you your tears
I know.
and your blood.
Yep.
It's gonna cost you your life.
I know.
You're willing to give your life.
I'm willing to give whatever it takes.
Amen.